The situation seems grim and ominous in one of Europe's mightiest banks. This time, one of the largest global investment banks of the world, Credit Suisse, seems to be on the verge of collapse. Today, we take a look at what exactly is going on with this investment bank and how did the bank reach here. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to One India. Credit Suisse is the second largest bank of Switzerland and one of the most renowned investment banks globally. The reason investors are worried and talks of global recession is gaining ground is because of the free fall of its share prices and astronomical climb in its CDS, that is credit default swap. The continuous dip in its share prices have reminded everyone about the collapse of the Lehman Brothers, the US bank that started the domino effect of global meltdown in 2008. This has sent investors in tizzy and they are worried about the collapse of Credit Suisse. This Monday, its shares fell nearly 8%. Prior to this, it had fallen by 12% in the previous session. A year ago, Credit Suisse has had a market cap of $22.3 billion. Today, its market value is only $10.4 billion and its shares have fallen by almost 60% in the past 1 year. Its credit default swaps costs have also hit the highest level since 2008. Its losses have hit nearly 4 billion Swiss francs over the past 3 quarters alone, while its financing costs have surged amid the ratings downgrades. But how did this globally renowned bank reach to a situation where it is now being seen as perhaps the most important signs of an impending global recession? The answers are multifold and interlinked. A string of losses, high-profile risk management failures, and changes of top leaderships have led to this situation. Credit Suisse had to raise capital, halt share buybacks, cut its dividends, and revamp management after losing more than $5 billion from the Archegos collapse in March 2021. The situation aggravated when it also had to suspend client funds linked to failed financier Greensill. Few independent reports have also flagged the crisis with this bank. Deutsche Bank had recently conducted an assessment and raised a question mark over the financial health and strength of this bank. Its assessments claimed that Credit Suisse faces a capital gap of at least $4.1 billion in order to restructure itself and to support its initiatives. Another report claimed that the bank has been losing money for 3 straight quarters. In fact, in July, the bank reported a loss as huge as $1.65 billion. Also, there aren't enough mergers, acquisitions, and financing activities going around, which basically means that Credit Suisse doesn't have as many avenues to work these deals and boost income. All of these is increasing its cost of capital. The bank is being forced to pay a higher cost on its borrowings, and it is affecting its operations. This explains why the bank has posted a loss every single time during the last 3 quarters. The bank has also been plagued with financial impropriety issues on part of its employees. One of its employees was convicted in 2018 for forging signatures of its wealthy clients over a period of 8 years. The bank has also been accused of servicing human rights abusers and businessmen who have been placed under sanctions. It also recently pleaded guilty to defrauding investors of over $850 million to Mozambique that was meant to pay for a tuna fishing fleet and is paying the US and British regulators $475 million under a deal announced in October. The bank has also been accused of hiring private detectives to spy on its former top-ranking employees. This spying scandal had forced then CEO Tidjane Thiam to quit in 2020, and Switzerland's financial regulator had then said Credit Suisse had misled them about the scale of its surveillance. All of these have added to the crisis that has been going on for years, unabated and unchecked. These were all you needed to know about the crisis Credit Suisse is embroiled in. We hope that you liked this new video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.